Hey, at the end of this video, you will learn how to make this cool transition. This is an interesting transition, but unfortunately it's not found in Filmora transition. So if you're interested in making a cool transition like this, then stay with me. I'll show you how. Before we get started, if you're new here, consider subscribing and click the notification bell for more awesome videos like this as soon as they are released. So without further ado, let's get started. You need a couple of video, probably just a video also. So let's go to sample color, drag them, go to sample color and add black and white sample color to the first and second track on the timeline. Go to effects and drag and drop image mask on the white image. Double click on it and go to setting and look for cycle. Now let's go to setting, change the width to 10 and the height to 12 and click OK. Now take a snapshot. Delete them from the timeline and add the snapshot to the timeline. Now drag and drop your video to the track on the timeline as a background. Double click on the snapshot and go to compositing. Change the blending mode to darken. Double click on the image and go to animation, click on customize. Let's add a keyframe to the beginning of our image. Move playhead forward a little bit and scale up the scale. Hide the video and take a snapshot of the image. Slide the image right where the playhead is and delete the second part. Add the snapshot to the track, double click on it and add a keyframe. Move the playhead forward and increase the scale all the way. And slide the image right where the playhead is and delete the second part. Go to compositing and change the blending mode to darken. And when you play it, you'll have something like this. Cool, right? Move the playhead forward, highlight and copy the two images. And paste them exactly where the playhead is. Now slide the video and delete the part we don't need. Now click on the last images and move it forward. Highlight both images and drag them back to the end of the video. Click on the first image and click on the last keyframe and restore it to 100. Go back to the first keyframe on the image and expand the scale. Go to the second image, the first keyframe on the second image, and scale it all the way. Then click on the second keyframe and restore it back to 100. And now our transition is ready. Isn't it cool? Go to transition and let's add fade to the beginning and end of our video. Let's reduce the duration to match the video. And now our transition is ready. Let's preview it and see what we have. Click on the export button and export your transition. And we can use it on other videos. It's very simple to make and it's very interesting. You find them in some other videos. So we're done with our transition. This is the end of the video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so that you will be notified as soon as we release new awesome videos like this. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.